Good morning, guys. Today's lesson is a call to the pool. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today is very hot. The sun is very strong. I am hot. I want to be cool. How can I get cool? Wait, I know. I can go to the pool. The pool is cool. I can swim in the pool. Is the pool open or is the pool closed? Where is the phone? I need to call the pool. I need to find out if the pool is open or closed. Ring, ring. Hello, my name is Andrea. I am at the pool. Can I help you? Hi, Andrea. Is the pool open? Yes, the pool is open. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Bye. Great, the pool is open. Now I can cool down. Now, let's go over the questions. Number 1. What is the weather like today? A. Is it cold? B. Is it cool? C. Is it warm? Or D. Is it hot? Please circle your answer. Number 2. I am hot, but I want to be A. Cold, B. Cool, C. Warm, or D. Hot. Please circle your answer. Number 3. How can I get cool? A. I can go to the library. B. I can go to the pool. C. I can go to the school. D. I can go to work. Choose wisely. Number 4. Who do I talk to at the pool? Write down your answer. Number 5. Is the pool open? A. Yes, the pool is open. B. No, the pool is not open. The pool is closed. Make your selection. Please finish your activity and submit it to Teams. Thank you.